Hi there, everybody. Rob Anderson here at Top of the World. We're doing a little bit of magic right at the table of Colin and Arida. I'm going to show them a little bit of magic. You two, I interrupted your date night. Thank you for allowing me to do that, which is an assumption that I made that I believe is correct. It is a date night. Yes, you're dating. You're together. Okay,
just friends?
cool.
Oh, no. Okay, we're dating. Okay, it's okay.
It's good. She likes you. That's good. That's good. So how long have you two been together?
We've known each other for a long time.
Long time. I like that. At some point you had some first dates, you got to know each other on a romantic level, held hands and started getting to know each other romantically, and I want to take you back to those moments, those first little romantic moments with our first trick, okay? Colin, could you hold your right hand out just like that? And Arida, could you hold your right hand out just like that? Great nails, look at that. Better than mine. I got the Jack of Clubs. I'm going to hand this card to Colin. And then Arida's hand will go on top, so you're sort of holding hands like maybe on some of those first actual dates. Hey, romance bloomed. Romance is going to bloom tonight. I've got the hearts. Hearts represent love. It's better for you to have that. I think you should have that card. Do you feel that there? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. You feel that there? Yes?
Yes.
It's better for you to have that. Do you feel that?
What? That's supposed to be the heart.
Look what you have. You should have the hearts. A better card for you to have. Much better card. Much better card for you two to have.
Okay.
She wants to keep the hearts in her hand. Interesting.
So, girl's best friend.
Okay,
We're going with the heart.
but we're going to get rid of those diamonds then. Boom, leaving you with the heart. That's so interesting. Such an interesting choice. Hearts over diamonds. Love over money. She's a keeper. That's good. Check it out. I predicted one card for you. The only card you had there face up in your hands, I predicted earlier on was the hearts. I thought that's what you want. So I turned it face up. I took it out of a totally different deck of cards than all the other cards. That's how sure I was of what she would do. Remember we removed those other cards? When we removed those other cards, we actually did remove all those other cards, leaving us just with that Queen of Hearts for you two that you both worked together to pick.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay.
Glad that worked.
Okay.
You two are a good couple. That's good. The card right next to Colin's card. We're going to pull them out together and see if it's the one you put your name on. I believe you signed it was the Ace of Hearts, wasn't it? Found each other. We're going to bond these two cards. We're going to put them together just like your experiences have bonded you. Exciting experiences. Getting to know each other and me. I know. Where am I going to get another Ace of Hearts now? Colin, could you pinch and hold the top card there? There you go. And Arida, could you pinch and hold the bottom card where Colin's name is? Okay. Think back to that bonding moment we just talked about a moment ago as we remove only the part there that does not matter, leaving you with an impossible representation of your bond together, sealed and bonded. Let go. Sealed and bonded.
Wow.
Like the two of you have bonded. I'm going to leave you with a gift tonight as token of my appreciation, as a thank you for watching my magic show here. Okay, and Colin, could you hold your right hand out one more time? I'm going to make a little empty gift pouch here. And I'm going to have you reach down inside. Could you reach down inside the little empty gift pouch I just made? That's empty, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Colin, I want you to turn your palm up like this for me and imagine a gift appearing in your hand right now. Can you imagine this appearing in the palm of your hand?
Yes.
I'd like to imagine a gift appearing, something you can give to Arida. Anything at all that'll fit in the pouch. You can actually feel that in your hand right now, can't you? Yes?
Yes.
Whatever that is, Colin, I'd like you to take that and give that to her.
Arida,
Colin,
I love you.
I love you too.
I love who I am with you.
I love you.
I love who we are together. And I would love if you would do me the honor joining me in this journey of life together. Arida, will you marry me? Sure.
Guess that much as I'm engaged. If you say I can do it, I can do it.
Do what you gotta do, babe.
That's what